Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
How to make life simple. English life lesson for beginners. Hello, my friend. Welcome to this long English life lesson. Today you will learn useful vocabulary, practice listening, improve your speaking, and learn how to make your life simple, peaceful, and positive. This lesson is perfect for beginners, students, and anyone who wants to grow in life. Relax, listen slowly, and enjoy. Let's begin. In this lesson, you will hear many helpful words. Let's learn them slowly. Simple, not complicated, easy, clear. Many people think happiness comes from more things, more clothes, more gadgets, more money, more plans, but often more creates stress. A simple life gives more peace, more time, more clarity, more happiness, more freedom. When life is simple, your mind is quiet, your heart feels light, your days become easy to understand. You don't need a rich life, you need a clear life, and a clear life comes from simplicity. A simple life begins at home. You cannot feel calm if your space is full of clutter, but you also don't need to clean everything is one day. Start small. Remove what you do not use. Ask yourself, do I use this? Do I love this? Keep only what helps your life. Useful English sentences. I don't need this anymore. This object does not add value to my life. I choose space over stuff. Cleaning your space cleans your mind. Your phone is powerful, but it can also steal your time. Every message, every notification, every social media scroll takes your attention away from real life. Try these simple habits. Turn off notifications for apps you don't need. Unfollow accounts that make you stressed. Have phone free time after waking up and before sleeping. Don't compare your life to what you see online. Useful English. I want a quiet mind. I don't need this notification. I control my phone. My phone does not control me. Many people try to do many things at once. This is called multitasking and it creates stress. But simple life means one thing at a time. When you eat, just eat. When you study, just study. When you talk, just talk. When you rest, just rest. This is called mindfulness. Useful English. I focus on one task. I give my full attention. I am present. A simple life needs a simple routine, not strict, not heavy, just soft and helpful. Where is an easy routine anyone can do? Morning routine. Wake up, drink water, stretch your body, breathe deeply, write one goal for the day. Evening routine. Clean a small area, turn off your phone, sit in silence for 2 minutes. Think about one thing you are grateful for. Routine gives your day balance, direction, and peace. A simple life is not lonely. A simple life is full of quality relationships. Spend time with people who love you, people who support you, people who bring peace, people who inspire you. Avoid people who bring drama, noise, and stress. Useful English. I choose positive people. I protect my peace. I spend time with people who matter. Gratitude makes life simple because it helps you see what you already have. When you appreciate small things, life feels full. Try saying, I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for small moments. I am grateful for my home. You don't need a perfect life. you need a grateful heart. Let's listen to a simple story. There was a woman named Anna. Anna worked long hours. She had many things, many clothes, many bags, many papers, many decorations. But inside, she felt tired. One day she decided to make a change. She cleaned one drawer, then one shelf, then one room. Slowly her home became simple. She made her morning routine. She stopped checking her phone first thing in the morning. She spent time with her family. She practiced gratitude every night. After 1 month, Anna felt lighter. She laughed more. She slept better. She had more time for herself. Anna learned a truth. A simple life is a happy life. Repeat these sentences after me. I choose a simple life. I let go of stress. I focus on what matters. My mind is calm. My heart is peaceful. I am grateful for today. Excellent. Thank you for watching this English lesson. Today you learned new vocabulary, practiced listening, and learned how to make your life simple and beautiful. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe for more English life lessons. Stay strong, stay peaceful, stay simple. See you in the next lesson.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.